What's going on, Codex people? Welcome back to Python Syntax Part 1. Today, we will learn what Python is, why syntax matters, and then write our first code. We will go through every single line. Let's begin. What is Python? Python is a simple, high-level, and versatile programming language used for web development, data science, automation, and artificial intelligence. Why do we use Python syntax? Python syntax acts like the grammar of the language. It helps us write correct instructions so the computer can understand and run the code without errors. What is the purpose of Python syntax? The purpose of Python syntax is to make code readable, structured, and easy to write, understand, and maintain. Now let's start coding. First, we print text. Using the print function, we display messages on the screen. Print Hello World shows Hello World. Print Welcome to Python Programming shows that message. Next, we print multiple items in a single line. Print You can print multiple items, like this, 1, 2, 3, shows that Python can print text and numbers together, separating them with spaces. So the output is, you can print multiple items like this, 1, 2, 3. Then we move to simple math operations. Print 15 plus 5 performs addition and gives 20. Print 20 minus 8 performs subtraction and gives 12. Print 10 times 2 performs multiplication and gives 20. Print 100 divided by 4 performs division and returns 25.0, which is a float. Print 2 to the power of 3 performs exponentiation, that means 2 to the power of 3, and returns 8. After that, we create variables. A variable is created when we assign a value to it. Username equals Alex stores Alex as a string. User age equals 25 stores 25 as an integer. User score equals 95.5 stores 95.5 as a float. Is student equals true stores true as a Boolean value. Next, we print these variables with labels. Print username, username shows username Alex. Print user age, user age shows user age 25. Print user score, user score shows user score 95.5. Print is student, is student shows is student true. Then we update a variable. User age is changed from 25 to 26. When we print it again using print updated user age, user age, Python shows the updated value 26. Now let's run the complete code from top to bottom. When we run it, Python first prints all the text messages, Hello World, then Welcome to Python Programming, then the line with multiple items, then it shows the results of all math operations, 20, 12, 20, 25.0, 8. Then it displays all variable values with their labels, username, Alex, user age, 25, user score, 95.5, is student, true. Finally, it shows the updated age, updated user age, 26. That is the full output. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and follow Codex People on Facebook and Instagram for more Python tutorials and programming tips. Also, subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss Part 2. Keep coding, Codex People. Out.